Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is still fighting with that $40 level. I mentioned to you how crucial it is to hold this level, but for now it's getting tough. Yeah, we've seen head and shoulders pattern here. This is, by the way, that level at $40. Its previous resistance was flipped for support. It is acting as support. It's doing its job, but there is no guarantee that it won't, that it will hold. So we could definitely go lower here. It's very critical to hold it, but the way this is looking like, yeah, it's getting tough. It's getting tough for that level, but you can see how relevant that level was. Yeah, and I've talked about that level for a while now. We had here resistance. We sort of had here a bit of difficulty to get through. Here we flipped it for support, support again, support again. If we lose the $40 level, that's it. Then I think we can see some more downside. Obviously, it would be important to maintain this wave count, to hold that level. Yeah, and then we could move up very swiftly in wave 3, but at the moment it's only weakness. I don't see this holding. I must be very honest. Of course, it's a guess because I don't know if it will hold or not. Support is support until it breaks. But good indication that this support is going to hold is if we break above this descending trend line. Yeah? You can also very nicely see that we are actually moving into what could become a descending wedge. So it wouldn't be a disaster to lose this level, also not from an Elliott wave point of view. We wouldn't violate any wave count. Yes, this short time frame wave count we would, but it would not really change anything in the higher level scenario that we have a case here to count this as a bullish move up that could eventually take out the $48, $41 level, and then we could see a larger rally all the way up to $58. Now you can see this possibly emerging descending wedge. You have here, we had this inverse head and shoulders. You can see as an inverse head and shoulders, yeah. We had another test here, but we then moved up. We see this pattern. It's a bit of an ugly inverse head and shoulders, but still a possible reversal pattern in my opinion, which looks very similar on other crypto charts as well. Yeah, where we had the neckline here. The trend line was basically the neckline. You could even see just all of this as one shoulder, this as the head, and then this as the right shoulder, and then we broke out, and we might now just come down for a retest and could move in this descending wedge and then eventually break out. So basically we could be here in a wave 2 correction, yeah, move up and down a bit and then break out to the upside. So that will be very interesting how this is going to play out. A retest of that I would consider that bullish despite the current retracement. It doesn't change anything of this higher level wave count. So overall, the wave count here suggests that the low was already in for Solana. Still, I have to say, probabilities for a bullish breakout more like 60-40, not 80-20. So the chances of coming down here, we need to keep those opportunities or those chances or that risk definitely open. Yeah, I still see here some comments that say, yeah, I'm wrong. We are definitely going to come down again. And I'm telling you, my perspective is that we have a case to move up from here. I'm not going to tell you we are definitely doing it because we are very, very early in an uptrend and we still need to keep possibilities open. So just because I'm leaning slightly towards the more bullish option here because the probabilities are more on our side now to the upside than down, this can change easily by taking out, for example, the $30.85 level. Yeah, by violating this 1-2 setup. And I might change that anyway. Yeah, I might, because at the moment we've got a 1-2, a 1-2, and another 1-2. I might just change it, and this is absolutely possible, into a 1-2-3. Yeah, so basically all of this here was just a WXY pattern. So basically I take 1-1-2 setup out. I find that makes it a bit cleaner and also an absolutely valid count. Now here it's really about, you see we're coming up in this green. Yeah, so we had this 1-2. Here at the moment a 1-2, 1-2, it doesn't matter. We're coming up in a wave 3 at the moment. And in this wave 3, we have various subwaves, including another 1-2 setup here and another 1-2 setup here. If we retrace more than 38.30, then I think we're going to retest this support line here that I just showed you, that descending trend line, and I have to take that 1-2 setup out. It would then be this white one, which is pulling back at the moment, okay? So if the $40 level doesn't hold, I think we're going to come down and retest the descending trend line, have a good chance to find support here and then move up from there. Or we are holding the $40 level now, which I don't honestly think we will, and then move up from here straight away in a third wave and continue the third wave. These are sort of the options at the moment. The best evidence we can get that this wave 3 is ongoing would be a move above 47.90, yeah, but then we are already very close to 48.41 anyway. So I think until we really break above 48.41, which is that previous wave 4 high, we won't know if we can get easily to $58 or not. For now, I'm skeptical if this 40 level will hold. I think we come down a bit lower, break it, yeah, touch the descending trend line, and here then we'll have the next decision if this will hold. You see here the 50-day moving average coming down. This hopefully will act as support here as well, and we'll have a cluster of support levels down here. All right, that's my view about Solana at the moment. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.